Oh man, my children. Guys, I feel like a proud parent today. I feel like Daddy Cantu for real, live in the flesh. Today's video is brought to you by the fine folks at Depop and basically you guys. So I threw a crazy vintage event video. I asked you guys to comment your Depop because the fine folks at Depop were nice enough to sponsor that event, which was amazing. Everyone at Depop, hella nice, hella cool, good ass people. But yeah, you guys dropped your @names on Depop. So on my own, which is @MrPaulCantu, I went through all the names and liked a piece in each and every one of you guys' collections and closets. So if you go to my page right now, hit my likes, you guys can see a shit ton of fire gear that y'all have actually found live in the trenches, which is amazing. So yeah, before we get into this trip to the thrift, I just want to shout out all of you guys and Depop, of course, for sponsoring today's video. And they're easily one of the best platforms, if not the best in my opinion, the bee's knees, to buy and sell vintage and streetwear. So yeah, click the link in today's video description and check out Depop. And yeah, without further ado, I'm gonna hop in these trenches. Also, I am gonna go through and cop pieces from the majority of you guys. It just will take a little time for me to get those in. I've been traveling, so yeah, stay tuned for that video. It definitely will be a happening, Captain. You dig? All right, guys, so here we are, man, live at the thrift. Gotta find 15 items to throw up on Depop for you guys, and man, we just got sections of heat. This is the Family Thrift outlet on Durham Street, so everything in here is $2. That's starting on Thursdays, and then all the prices incrementally go down by 25 cents after that. The homie Matt is in the building. Are you grail grabbing? Wow, the St. Pablo merch? Let's get it. Boy just pulling up Kim K. Are they playing badminton in a pool or straight tennis? Yeah. What you think? The shuttlecocks? Nice. Anyways, guys, we'll see what this store has. Oh my, the sleeve never deceives, bro. Straight up, dude. Coogee down. That is an amazing sweater. Color went crazy. All right, let's get it. Wow, popping out, dude. Got that Mickey Mouse denim dynamite. Boom. Exploding on the game. Oh, Canada Goose. I'm off all Canada weather gear. What are those? The thread count is nuts on this little rodent. Beautiful. Oh, did my philosophy kick in? Nice. Bro, come on, hit him with it, bro.
What? I don't know what they say.
Bro, you know
the sleeve never deceives, baby.
Yeah. Homie saw the sleeve just poking out. You got the Florida State Seminole fluid. Beautiful starter jacket. Look at that little embellishment on the back. That chief is screaming, boy. War chant going on. Oh man, look at his logo, bro. I'm a freaking star boy. Dude, this thing is like 4 cubic inches. That's crazy. Balling. You already know I used to play in the WNBA, bro. Once upon a time. Is that reverse weave? No. That chocolate on the white waffle. Oh my god. Bro. Tripping. Yo, we got that Nike thermal, baby. Wet waffle texture. Hey bro, peep this. Fighting Illini. You got the Illinois. The color blocking is absolutely glorious. Bro, only vintage deer has vintage deer. Bambi, only vintage gear, excuse-moi, has color blocking done with this quality. Look at the golden Rumpelstiltskin embroidery. That's magical. Oh Jesus! Look at this alcoholic chameleon, man. You got the Budweiser chameleon. Are you ready? Obviously, he is twizzled watching the football game. Look at that blurred vision, blurred lines. Dude got that killer grip. This is a crazy piece. Best heat. Dude, the Saudi Arabian Falcons? Let's get it. I didn't even know they had ice in Saudi Arabia, period. I know in Dubai they got those indoor ice parks, but wow, it's that boy Hartman. What? That is the least Saudi Arabian name I've ever seen on a jersey. Not to discriminate, but you know what? I'll take it. Dude is just straight swan diving, or in this case, falcon falling. Guys, tell me why I just pulled up on an Elvis Presley heat wave, dude. You got the all gold. I love gold. Elvis. Got Elvis straight ripping his vocal cords, going all out. You got the Randy Elvis. And then look at this. Oh, I don't know why a woman cut this thing, but you got the vintage liquid blue Elvis Presley tee. Oh my gosh.
Oh my god!
Oh man. I thought I saw a putty cat.
I thought I saw a putty cat.
Bro, you guys saw Vester in the Orient straight in bamboo? Tweety just swinging, not worried about a damn thing. All right, guys, obviously the only reptile that's getting slizzard is not just a chameleon, but alligators too. Homeboy is sipping on a whole bottle of Tabasco. It says add a little spice to your life. The Caucasian drink. Whoa, bottled on the bayou. Yo, let me try some of that. That got some Gulf oil spill mixed in? Cause shoot, I'll take a dive in that. Rangers. Dang, man. Who's on the back? Oh, Hamilton? Alexander Hamilton? Bro, who knew he went pro, bro? Oh. Bro, that's like me and you, dog. You're my dog.
Shut the fuck up, bitch!
Oh man, we them boys. Vintage 1993 Dallas Cowboys crew neck.
Play action. Oh, he's got it wide open. He's got Rocket Ismail. He's got it. They'll score, and the Cowboys will win.
Holy Dak Prescott, man. Bring me one of these. You got that Troy Aikman exclusive, the back-to-back Super Bowl champs. Again, Dallas Cowboys, you already know. On that jerseys, made in USA, single stitch frame. No, it's double stitch, but still, you already know. Look at this, man. We got hella natural fire going on, dude. You got these magical horses living in a codeine sunset. This is like the Bound video, bro, or Bound 2. Nice. Then you got the Harley Davidson. This is 1988. Look at that. Wow. HD boy. And then on the back, you know, you got the little Harley logo. And look at this bike we can see. Again, man, they're just hella eagles in here, bruh. The vultures of Alaska. Let's get it. Grail grabbing season. Oh, blessings in abundance. Bro. Look at this timepiece. Anything on the back? No. Plain back. Vibrant front. Jesus, look at that little crest. Oh my God. Oh, this was for $2.50? Bruh. Someone's garage sale was not hitting right. But hey, we'll take it now. Wow, dude. Saucing like a Miami Dolphin, bro. Hey, look at this, guys. This is like the true freaking testament. This is like the 10 Commandments for the fishes get you hella bitches philosophy, bro.
Women want me. Fish fear me. You feel me?
Bro, I promise you guys, this is one of the craziest polos I've ever found. You dig that? Bro, you have the Chaps Ralph Lauren, America's pastime. You got the baseball print. Oh my gosh, you got Ralph Lauren baseball. God, this piece is crazy. We gloved up. This is a beautiful garment, high quality. Man, this is easily one of the coolest color block jackets I've came across. That Pacer brand. Yeah, that's what Indiana actually based their team off of, was this, you know, clothing company. But wow, we got primary colors and a secondary. Hold up. Got to, man. It's just absurd in this store, guys. Oh, yes. Guys, we have all the bangers pretty much laid out right now. And you know what time it is, man. 15 items are gonna be thrown up on my Depop since you know they're sponsoring the video and whatnot. You gotta show love when love is shown back. But I don't know which of these items will be up there. A few will be on my website, some from my personal collection will be up on there. But we got just a nice assortment of stuff. You guys have seen it all, but you know, just get that one last visual in. You guys know, man, drink it up, soak it in. That's personal, man. I gotta rock this at least one time on the playground. Gotta flex on the other children. Just glorious finds all around. Blessings abound, man. Stay blessed to impress. You dig? And alright guys, so we're back in the crib, man. As y'all can see, I just have tons of garments to throw in the washing machine and then to throw on my Depop. So yeah guys, definitely join the application if you guys haven't already. I am very appreciative of Depop for sponsoring this video, sponsoring thrifters, and just overall sharing the recycling of clothes mentality, because you can look fresh in some old garb, look unique, and be your damn self all simultaneously. Anyways, thank y'all so much for watching. Again, Go check out my likes to see a bunch of other great gear that was thrifted by you guys on Depop. And yeah, all the links, all the info is in the video description down below. Check out my closet at Mr. Paul Cantu. And I think that just about wraps it all up. I still got a lot of videos from my road trip dropping very soon. I also got a brand new house, so that video will be dropping. And just overall, I'm gonna be flying to LA for Complex Con. We got a bunch of crazy stuff happening, Captain. So stay tuned, keep it locked and loaded. And until next time, I'm out.
Killing these songs, leaving a bloody life I roost to. And I'm in it to win it, so I'm somebody that you should get used to.